Hi everyone, it's Minnie from Chi Kitchen. I am so excited because I'm actually going to teach you how to cook rice the proper Asian way. Some of you may know that I was actually born on a rice farm. Rice is my ride or die food, my love language. And this recipe actually has no measurements. We're going to learn how to make rice just by using the little tip of our finger. What does that mean? You'll see. So I have some sushi rice. This is what we're going to use for our bibimbap bowl. And there's a big debate whether you should wash rice or not, and I am in the washing rice school. So I just poured some rice into this bowl. I didn't measure it out. It's going to be enough. If there's leftovers, we will definitely eat it. We can use it in kimchi fried rice, or eat it with kimchi, or make another bibimbap. I'm going to put the rice into the colander. Oh, I even just love the sound of rice being poured into a container. And then we're just going to rinse it. I'm rinsing it with cool water. And we're just going to rinse it until the water is kind of clear. As you can see, when you first rinse it, the starches are coming off, so it's a little cloudy. Yeah, I even like the sound of rice. Okay, so this is going to go into our pot. So I have a little pot with a lid, fitted lid. Pour the rice in here. Get all those kernels in there. And this is the trick. You're going to take your pointer finger and see this little crease right here? That is how much water you're going to use. So what you're going to do is just going to pour some on the top, kind of let it flatten out. And you're going to take your finger and touch the top of, so I'll do it this way so you can see. You're going to touch the top of the rice, and it looks like I need a little bit more water, so go slowly. There, that's the perfect amount of water. So you never need to pull out your measuring cups. So I like to add a little bit of salt in my rice, and then my secret ingredient is kombu, which is a dried kelp. This is the package that it comes in. A little bit goes a long way. I use it in soups. I use it in pasta sauce. And I use it in rice, and it adds a little bit of umami. So now we're just going to cover that, and then we're going to boil the water. So once it comes to a boil, we're going to reduce the heat, and we're just going to let it sit and let the rice steam for about 10 or 15 minutes. So while that's going, we will go work on some other things. So it's starting to boil and steam off, so I'm just going to turn it down and let it simmer on low for about 10 to 15 minutes. We'll check on it then. Okay, so it's been, what, 10 minutes? A little over 10 minutes. I wasn't really paying attention. So I am going to turn this off. So ideally, you want to just let this sit and have all the residual steam cook for as long as you want, but I just can't wait to see how the rice came out. Oh, perfect. See, I'm telling you, this is I've tried to make rice in rice cookers and Instapots and all kinds of other things, and nothing really beats this. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so yummy. I can't wait to try the rice in the bowl. I am going to put it back. Put it back on here and keep it warm until all the other ingredients are ready.